I think there is nothing more frustrating than launching a product, turning on your ads and seeing a 0 impressions. You wrote the listing, you added the keywords, but Amazon treats your product like a ghost. So this usually happens not because you missed a keyword, but because you broke a specific rule of a A9 algorithm called phrase proximity. And this video is specifically for sellers who want to diagnose exactly why their listing isn't ranking for their most important keywords. So to understand why ghost listings happen, you have to think like a robot, not like a human. So if your title says water bottle for gym with 1 liter capacity that is insulated, a human understands that, but the robot sees a mess. It sees the word water here and insulated way over there. So the gap between those words reduces your relevance score. If the gap is too wide, Amazon decides you are weakly relevant, and if you are weakly relevant, you don't get indexed, which means no amount of ad spend will ever get you to page 1. So you need a way to scan your listing through the eyes of the robot before you publish it. That's exactly why I create this tool, Amazon Indexing and Relevance Checker for 2026, because I'm extremely lazy, and second, I want to automate things so I can do this faster and safer, and I'm using AI like ChatGPT, Grok or Gemini, whatever you want to get this data. You can get this tool from the link in the description below, and if you are on my website, make sure to check out this freebie section because I rotate my tools each week so you can get a feel how they work and how they are useful for you. Now let's look at how this tool runs that diagnostic for you. The left side is your diagnostic scanner. It doesn't scrape Amazon, that's unreliable. Instead, it uses logic to analyze your raw text against the 2026 indexing rules. First, you paste your listing content, your title, your bullets and your backend search terms over here. And then you paste target keywords. These are the specific phrases you are trying to win, like insulated water bottle or leak-proof metal bottle. You have some optional notes to add, and it's very simple. Click here, generate indexing and relevance prompt. It says it's generated, go up, and you can see this big prompt on the right side. This is good because you can use this prompt unlimited times and save yourself lots and lots of time. And go to ChatGPT or Grok or Gemini, whatever you want, and paste it here. I will use ChatGPT and run it, and after we get the result, you can see this result. It's a pretty big result with lots of good information here. So now just let me run you through. So this tool looks for 3 specific things: its presence, its placement and its proximity. The tool gives us a keyword by keyword diagnostic, so you can see here, for example, for the keyword stainless steel water bottle, this one here, the status is likely indexed. So why? Because it found the exact phrase in the title, so the signal is strong. Also, you can check out metal water bottle. You can see weakly indexed because appears as a descriptor, not reinforced as a product type synonym. Acceptable secondary synonym, do not force it into title again. And the most important part is the priority fix plan. So this is high impact, low risk improvements that you will get here. So you need to tighten phrase, upgrade 1 bullet to per capacity, clarify handle intent in 1 bullet, refine hiking context to bottle purpose language, and so on, depending on the product that you have. So these are all the golden information, and you can also ask anything ChatGPT to explain, to further, run you through this tool. So you can see that the system turns ranking from a guessing game into a simple checklist. It allows you to fix your ghost listing before you lose weeks of sales wondering why no one is clicking. So download the tool, run the diagnostics and confirm your index before you spend $1 on ads. But once you are indexed and selling, you face the final boss of Amazon, it's a profitability. There is a massive difference between gross sales and net cash, and most sellers get crushed by fees they didn't even know existed. That financial reality and how to track it is explained in this video right here. I hope it will be highly useful to you. And this is it from this video. I'm always bad at the outros, so I will just wish you a good luck selling on Amazon. Drop a comment below if you find this video useful, and let me know if you check out the tool and how it works for you. So see you in some other video. Bye bye.